Hey guys, Rich Ferguson here, and I'm back, and I'm going to be teaching you something crazy you could do with a coin or a ring. Have you ever seen someone rip a phone book or maybe karate chop some wood? Well, today I'm going to show you this. How to stick your finger right through a coin. Let's do this. So have you guys ever seen like a martial artist like karate chop some wood, or maybe like some big guy tear a phone book in half? Right?
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about? I'm going to show you guys something crazy you could do to blow your friend's mind. Check out the coin. You can roll it if you want, if you have those kind of skills. Perfect. You can't stick your finger through it or nothing like that, right? Okay, we're going to try this. I can't guarantee it's going to happen. I'm going to try to throw it up just like this. So I can do this. Hey!
Nice.
Whoa! You want to learn that? That's crazy, right?
Yeah.
You want to learn it?
Sure.
All right, I'm going to show it to you. All right.
While you're here, make sure you're a subscriber.
So there's a couple ways you can do this. We're going to start with something basic. We're going to put the coins away for just a second. We're going to try the same thing. So here's how you do it. You basically get an object. It could be a ball of Play-Doh. It could be a little ball. It could be a piece of bread. Anything you can put on your finger, basically. You're going to throw this up, and just stick your finger right through it. It's pretty impressive, right? I mean, look at your eye. You're just like, whoa, I'm scared of this guy. Look at that! Don't get poked by this guy. No, so here's how it works. Secretly, you have two of whatever you got. Okay, so this is the easiest way to start.
Whoa!
I know, right? I've been married twice. I know. I married you both. No, here we go. So check this out. You have one hidden in your hand, and then while you're doing something with this one, or just having someone check it out, what you're secretly doing is just put your hand to your side, and no one will even notice. You just stick this on your fingertip. You just sit there and casually put it right there in plain sight the whole time. Take the object back that you're trying to steal from me. Hey, and you throw it in the air. And you can make a big deal about it, having to spin a certain way, whatever you want. You don't want to actually stick your finger in it. You want to catch it. Right? So you're going to go boom, and it gives the illusion that you stuck your finger right through. What is that? Now for the coin. The coin's kind of cool because you can make this at home. Get yourself a silver dollar or $50, and what you're going to do is stick it on a piece of wood, get a chisel about yay big, and smash it right through, make an X. And then stick it on a wooden dowel and pound it through, or use any kind of device to spread this open. And then you can make this device, make it any way you want that fits onto your fingertip. They're going to do the same thing. I like to have it in this hand so that my other hand is free to do a little flourish. And then I give the coin for inspection. Obviously this hand is empty. And as you're looking at that, I just bring this other hand forward, drop this off, and I keep talking to you. I can even take it back with the same hand and gesture again, showing my hand's empty. Then I say, watch this. And as I get ready to throw this in the air, same thing. I stick this on my fingertip, bring it down, throw this in the air. Ha! And from the camera's angle, you might see that. It doesn't really matter because from their perspective, this is what they see. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video. I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to give away 5 of these. I'll make them and send them off to 5 of you, and I'm going to do it in the first hour. So make sure you're a subscriber and you have your notifications turned on, and I will send these off to some of you. Thank you guys so much. Hold on a second. Someone's calling. Yeah. Oh, it's your mom. She says subscribe. Do it.